Looking for a wireless keyboard that offers lightning-fast response and unmatched durability? The Logitech G613 delivers with Lightspeed wireless technology, boasting a super-fast 1 millisecond report rate, ensuring every keystroke registers instantly. Whether you're gaming or typing, this keyboard keeps you in control without lag or interruptions. What sets the G613 apart are its Romer G mechanical switches. Designed for precision and quiet operation, these switches provide a satisfying feel with 70 million clicks of reliable performance. For anyone who types extensively or battles with accidental key presses, the G613's increased key press resistance and longer travel distance make a noticeable difference. One user with essential tremor found their typing accuracy improved dramatically, reducing errors and duplicate strokes thanks to the solid build and responsive keys. Beyond performance, the G613 offers 6 programmable G keys that simplify complex commands. Customize macros and in-app shortcuts effortlessly using Logitech gaming software, so your workflow or gameplay stays smooth and efficient. Plus, with Bluetooth compatibility across Windows, Mac, Chrome OS, Android, and iOS, this keyboard fits seamlessly into your setup. Battery life? Up to 18 months on just 2Ah batteries means you spend less time charging and more time focused. Pair the G613 with a Lightspeed mouse and headset to complete a wireless desktop setup that's built for speed and convenience. If you want precision, durability, and wireless freedom all in one, the Logitech G613 is worth a look. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your typing and gaming experience.